अमरीकी सदर डोनाल्ड ट्रंप ने तस्दीक की है कि ईरान के साथ मुज़ाकरात हो रहे हैं। व्हाइट हाउस में मीडिया के सवालों का जवाब देते हुए उन्होंने कहा कि ईरान डील चाहता है लेकिन शायद अभी वो तैयार नहीं है, ताहम अमरीकी अस्करी तरीके से भी इस तनाज़े को हल कर सकता है।
There's a military exit where we just keep going just the way we are, and we can even make it a heavier dose, and it's knocking out everything they have. Or there's a smarter strategy that you make a deal, and they want to make a deal. I just don't think they're ready yet, but they do want to make a deal. Sometimes they don't want to say they want to make a deal. They want to be the tough guys, but they do want to make a deal. There's two ways. I mean, it's you can just keep doing exactly what we're doing and take them apart piece by piece. We can do it in a more rapid fashion, which we might do, or we can negotiate with them, which we're also doing right now. I mean, as we speak, we're talking to them.